What is this?
Hello everyone, we're here at the back. Walking in the morning. That's my house there. Walk lang kami guys. Enjoy. Early in the morning, walking. Look, saluyot. Saluyot there. Oh, my kambing. Saluyot is everywhere. Look at this, saluyot is everywhere. Kambing. Hello, kambing. Hi, kambing. Lumabas kami payapaw. Labas kami payapaw. We're going to the... Walking, my three kids. Ante, lumabas kami pay. Pag nantin taman, tataan ako lang baset. Wine. Kasi itong tubing. Yan ang bundok. Ibok-ibok. It's a beautiful view. Wow, we're here guys, walking. Andan na po area. Di mahanapan ni street. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning. Have a blessed Saturday, everyone. Let's go walking. That's the best exercise in the morning. Alright, may truck tayo dyan guys, oh. May truck tayo. Dito sila nag-harvest ng mga ano guys. Ano to? Corn, mais. Pakwan. Dito, pakwan. I think. Opo. Lumabas kami payapaw. May ano dyan, truck. Ang ganda ng view. Ganda ng view guys. Ayun, galing kami doon. Walk pag may time. Go. May truck. Gusto ko mamitas. Kaninong ayun, ang maisan. Ang ganda maglakad-lakad guys, early in the morning. It's not early. Ang ganda ng panahon. Sabong, ano yung sabong ng manok? May kalabaw. Hello! Come on guys. Take a video, take a photo, share remembrance. You know it's Lolo there, Lolo mountain over there. There. Far. Ganda view natin. Kangkong. It's kangkong. Bukid. Yoo! Sitaw, batani. Kan mula ato yapaw. Ampay bagas na yung bagas. Ampay bunga na. Ganda ng panahon Ang ganda ng view. Cloudy lang pero okay. Ayun. Saluyot. Ayan saluyot. Wow, saluyot. Sitaw. Saluyot, sitaw, magka-match. Pwede na ulamin. Okra, kalabasa. Farm. Farm is everywhere. Ayan po ang sandya. Kaninong sandya po to? Wala pa bukol-bukol dyan. Wala pa oh. Wala kang bukol-bukol. Na-harvest na ata ang mga sandya. Baka ito pinag-harvestan nila ng ano, pakwan. Wala mang pakwan. Wala akong makita pakwan. Oh, yan. May bukol, may bunga. Yan ang pakwan. Hello, pakwan. This is going to New York. Oh.
Road. Saan ang punta natin ito? Oh, sige. Konti dyan. Walang dahil dyan namin. Palabak sa likod ng bahay lang. Airdrop. Pag may typhoon, tulog yung ano ng tree. Pag may typhoon, chapas man at
All right, finally, 5 minutes. Then we go. Okay. Beautiful weather.
oh, my ass is wet now.
Sige. Babush.
You like my fit? Salamat po. Nakaupo. You like my fit? You like my
Hello, Ilog. River. A river, guys. Philippines River. Babush, bye-bye.
My ass is wet now.